Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Under the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one also comes with the exterior sports package, which is going to give you the AMG sports body styling for the front and rear. Up front we've got the LED illuminated star, which lights up at night. With the sports package you're going to get the 20-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. Also comes with brushed illuminated running boards. For our interior we've got an espresso brown ginger beige MB Tex panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside here, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, a nice brown eucalyptus wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Got navigation, rear view backup camera, radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our buttons for our infotainment center. This GLE has 25,874 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.